Volumarine is into the business of commercial naval architecture and marine engineering. We do design and engineering for new ships like oil tankers, offshore LNG vessels. Our specialty is in power generation barges. We recently designed from scratch and built two 171 megawatt power generation barges for Venezuela. And we also do conversion projects where we convert a ship from one form to another so that it can perform a completely new function based on the market requirements, like converting converting a LNG ship into an offshore floating platform, an LNG platform. Traditionally, ship design, the structure of the ship is a pretty complex model itself, and any modifications required to this geometry or design, whether it is for adding some new equipment just to check the capability of the ship structure to hold the new equipment, or any modifications, you have to see whether the existing structure, or even if it's a new structure, you have to see how this complex structure behaves. And that's where finite element analysis or any simulation comes into picture. Ansys, and especially Ansys Workbench, is a great tool because it reduces the learning curve. The Ansys tree in Workbench is designed in such a way that if you are familiar with using CAD, and any engineer usually is, you can understand what's going on within the Ansys GUI, the Workbench GUI. If the job is done without analysis, there is a very high likelihood that the class will not accept it. So that's where the value comes into picture.